Earn extra cash and achieve financial goals faster with online surveys. Discover top legitimate survey sites such as Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site offers different availability, age requirements, and payment methods, so choose wisely. Consider factors like reputation, survey frequency, and payout methods when selecting survey sites. Maximize your earnings by completing profiles thoroughly, seizing free offers, and prioritizing high-paying surveys. Follow best practices like using a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software to ensure a smooth survey experience. Beware of warning signs such as membership fees, lack of reviews, and requests for sensitive information, which could indicate illegitimate survey sites. Rest assured, surveys for money are legitimate and typically take 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some sites even offer instant cash or bonus points. Companies value your feedback, paying individuals to gather market research and consumer insights through surveys. Start making money today by sharing your opinions online.